everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So I'm here to share my last haul of 2024. So let's get started without any more further delay. Let's start with the first one. I had to restock on my favorite sunscreen, which is Dermaco 1% Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen Gel. There was some offer of buy one get one on their app as well as on their official website. So I felt this is the right time to restock on my favorite sunscreen, and I just had to pay for one product. What else could I have asked for, you guys? And when making an online payment, I got extra 5% off. So yeah, it was such a great deal, you guys. Next one, I will be trying out this brand for the first time. It's Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. It is a 100-gram product and it is meant for normal to dry skin. I have a dry skin and I love my moisturizers to have hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Now it is infused with ceramide, hyaluronic acid and mango butter seed. This is how actually the tube looks like, which was completely sealed, but I had ripped off the seal so that I don't waste the time. Now let me just squeeze out some amount on the camera itself. I have taken about a pea-size amount and let me just blend it out. Oh, it feels very lightweight and it feels very moisturizing and very hydrating, you guys. Oh my god, I really love the texture. It's not too thick, not too thin, right in between, and I think I can use it under my makeup as a base and it is going to be working fine. Next, I picked up my favorite moisturizer from Bioderma. It is their Intensive Balm. This is for dry to extremely dry and sensitive skin. And if you have any dry, flaky or patchy skin, then you can try using this. It just recovers everything within a week. I have noticed a lot of difference when I am using this product. I got the 200 ml from Myntra for the price of rupees 12.15. It was on discount. I think this retails for 14.99 or 16.99, not so sure about it, but the product itself is worth buying. Next, I picked up 3 of Sugar Cosmetics lipsticks, which are their newest launch, and it is their Glide Peptide Serum lipstick. One of you requested me to review these and that's the reason I bought it. I'm not going to share the swatches as of now because I will be doing everything in my upcoming review video. So please keep an eye on that, and if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to turn your notifications on and also subscribe to my channel. Now there was some buy 2 get 1 offer on their app as well as on their website, so I picked up 3 shades and even I got this as a gift, which is the shade 01. And let me just give you a swatch of this. I don't mind giving you a swatch, and it's a beautiful reddish pinkish shade, perfect for this holiday season, for Christmas. I just love wearing a very beautiful bright toned red, a beautiful berry toned red, and this is one of the shade that is going to suit each and every skin tones. Next, I restocked on my favorite concealer, which is Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade Warm Sand, and I had to restock on this because I use this concealer a lot, especially the shade Warm Sand, because it is little dark on my skin tone, plus it has a beautiful golden orangish undertone which helps to cancel out any kind of darkness, pigmentation. I can even spot conceal with this, you guys, and I picked up from Myntra. I saw some great discount and then I thought that why not pick 2 of them because it is going to really last me for good whole time. Next, I restocked on my L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Touch Up from Amazon, and this is in the shade dark brown and it has up to 25 uses. Whenever I'm going out and if my hair is bit gray or if there is bald spots visible, I just spray it and it gets the job done very easily. Now let me tell you, I have to wash my hair the other day because it gets stiff by the time and I don't like that feeling at all, but it does a very good job to cover any kind of grayness and bald spot. You just have to keep it at a distance and spray it and it's done. Next, I had to restock on my favorite makeup fixer, and it is NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I picked up on the first day of end of reason sale from Myntra and I got it for about rupees 463 if I'm not wrong. It was such a steal deal, you guys, and I always love to keep a backup of this whenever I see this product going on sale, because this is one such staple makeup fixer which just gives me a very natural dewy finish, which I totally love. I think oily skin people can also use this because it is not overly dewy, so even oily skin people can try using this. Next, I got this Mars Brow Better Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, and let me tell you, the price is so affordable. Like, it is inexpensive, under 70 rupees, and the product quality is top notch, and you get product on one end and spoolie on other end, which comes really very handy. And this is how the shade dark brown actually looks like. It has a right amount of pigmentation that helps to cover the sparse area, and I can do some thick strokes, thin strokes, and it gives me a very natural looking brows. If you have dense brows, bushy brows, you can just go with little bit of this product and you are done. Next, I picked up this new viral eyeshadow palette from Mars. It is their Blooming eyeshadow palette. I picked up the variant Imperial because this color story was calling out my name. Look at the inner packaging. It is so cute and compact and absolutely travel friendly. And here is the color story. It also comes with a mirror. I did not remove the film. It was not needed, you guys. Today I've used this palette on my eyes, and let me tell you, the matte blends like butter without any issues. I did not have to do a lot of effort whatsoever, and it was going on like ease, like butter, and there was no tugging or pulling, no patchiness, no bald spot. And the shimmers, oh my god, every time I was trying to layer the shimmers, I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, the shimmers are really very high quality. It's foiled, and this white shade is good as a topper. I used with this I went with this rose gold shade as a lid shade, but I wanted to tone it down, so I went with this white one, and it did a wonderful job. And I think I'm going to pick up one more variant because I really love the quality of these eyeshadows. Next, I picked up another new launch from Mars. It is their Sugar Rush Liquid Blush. Mars is just launching products left, right and center, which is really very intimidating for me. And I picked up two shades, 04 and 03, and which I've already reviewed on my channel. This is how the inner packaging looks like. Let me just give you a swatch. 04 is this shade Red Velvet, and these are highly pigmented liquid blush which goes on matte, and it is hell long wearing. And the next one I'm swatching is the shade Rose Slush. Both of the shades looks good on my skin tone, so if you are planning to pick one of these, you can head on to my channel for more in-depth review, and then I think you can make up your mind whether you want to purchase or give it a pass. Next, I picked up a new shade from Revlon, Color Stay Satin Ink. This is in the shade Silky Sienna, if I'm not wrong. I really wanted to try this shade for the longest time, and this is how actually it looks on my skin tone, you guys. I really love the shade on me, but yesterday when I swatched it, I saw it that it contains very minute shimmer particles which actually shines under the light. Like, if you look very closely, if you bring the shade under the microscope, only then you will come to know that yes, it does contain some shimmer particles. And I have noticed that it gives you a very satiny finish, and which is really very comparable to Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick, but I feel it's not very sticky because I have tried other shade from it and I did not feel any kind of stickiness. Plus, the satiny finish is very long wearing, and the formulation itself is really long wearing. Next, I picked up another lipstick from Revlon, and it is the newest launch, you guys. It's available on Amazon as well as Revlon India's website. I'll try and mention the link in the description. So it is their Color Stay Limitless Matte Lipstick. Now, this was satin ink, and this is completely a matte lipstick. This is in the shade Manifest, which has a neutral undertone. So it's a beautiful pinky mauve shade. I think it's going to work on me. I'm not sure. I haven't tried out this shade. Very soon I'm going to review it on my channel. Let's see what we can expect from this lipstick. And lastly, I picked up another Mars Popstar lipstick. This is in the shade Gilded, and this is how the shade actually looks like. I really love the formulation of these lipstick, you guys. If you want a matte formulation that is lightweight and very very long wearing, doesn't feel heavy, or you do not even feel anything on the lips, you can try out this formulation. It's my absolute favorite formulation. This is how the shade Gilded actually looks like. I think it's going to match my skin tone very well. I don't know, I was really tempted to get this shade for the longest time, and every app it was there on my wish list, so this time I picked it up finally. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.